Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Hey now, dreamers. We are inside of Canva, and I have a few questions, so I decided to go ahead and answer them inside of a video, and you guys can use this graduation diploma template. It's that time of the year, and I actually was inspired by Victoria Johnson to create this image. Now, I will leave all of her information down in the description. I actually spoke with her. She was super nice, and she has other templates and different things that you can use, so I'll make sure you can have access to her information. But she was super dope. I just want to shout her out, give her flowers, because I thought this was super duper dope. All right, so mine is different than hers, and mine is a Canva template. Some people have asked me, can I use it in other places? You can use hers in other places as well as in Canva. These are the hers, it looks different, okay? So I'll give her information down below so you can check that out. All right, so we are inside of Canva, and I am going to show you how you can edit this template. Now, with this template, you cannot resell this template. You cannot create something else with my images and then resell it. This image right here and this image is my image. This is, I have commercial rights to it. It's mine. It's not anyone else's. So you cannot create something and sell it with this image as a template, okay? You can sell things as finished end products, okay? So if you make this for someone, you can sell it as a mouse pad, as a tumbler, as a t-shirt, as items, right? But you can't sell my template as another template in another design. People have asked me, what can I put this image on? So it's tons of things. I mentioned earlier, you can put it on a mouse pad, you can put it on a banner, you can put it on a t-shirt like this here. You can put it on a mug, super adorable. You could put it on a hoodie. You could put it on a tote bag. You could put it on the party favors at the graduation party. You can put it on a pillowcase. You can put it on a tumbler. I mean, literally anything that you make in the crafty world, you can put it on. But I just wanted to give you guys some suggestions as well as photos. I mean, it can be their graduation invitation. It's so many things that you can do with this image, but I want to give you guys some visuals of what you could do with it, okay? Because I did get a lot of questions regarding that, okay? So I've gotten that question several times, so I just wanted to be clear. People have asked, what's the name of this frame in Canva? There's no frame inside of Canva that's like this because this is my frame and my rolled up paper. All right, so the cool thing about this is that you can change the fonts. So this font specifically is Old English font, and I got this from Creative Fabrica. My Creative Fabrica link will be down in the description. That's the font that I use. So you can change every single thing on this template. So I went to Communication Media Arts High School, so I just put Communication Media here. So what you can do is this. You can move every single thing around, meaning all of the words. Let me show you. If I wanted to move her over here, you can change the words to say whatever it is that you wanted to say. What school? If you don't like the effects being that way, you can change that. You can change everything, even the background. Okay, so this is what I mean when I say it's an editable template. You can literally change every single last thing. You don't have to use this. You could put your logo on here. You can change the fonts, the colors, the types of fonts, anything that you want is completely editable. So that's what that means. Now, I do want you to be careful with the template because this, you see how I did that? This image, it drags and drops anything inside of there. Even the paper can get dragged and dropped inside there. And that's not what you want. And you'll lose the actual image. So you can delete any photo. You can go to uploads. And then you can upload whatever photo that you want to put inside of there and simply drag and drop the photo inside of this image. Then you can take the outline and line it up. Okay. You could also make the outline smaller if it's not lining up like how you want it to, and you keep dropping it inside of there. So you could play around with it to get it how you want. And then you can always bring the actual paper. When you go to position, you can bring it to the front so the photo can look like it's inside of the paper and the person is busting out. Now, you can also download it as a PNG, then upload it and play with the person popping out of the actual frame, popping out of the actual paper on the outside. It's so many different things that you can do. And then, of course, you can, once you get the photo the way that you like it, you can group it together so it won't move. I know some of the words group with this one, so you may not want that, but it's just up to you how you want to play around with it, okay? So I just wanted to get on here, answer the few questions. You can only use this inside of Canva. Yes, you can edit everything, the words, the fonts, the backgrounds, the photos, all the things. No, you cannot resell my template. No, you cannot find the actual image, the photo image anywhere else. Is not a certain name you can search because that is mine, okay? So you won't be able to find that anywhere else. But I just wanted to get on here and show you when you purchase it, this is what you'll get. You'll get everything without the watermarks. And it'll look like this. And then you'll have a few of them with the words on there as well. And you can play around with it. Once you get the image, I do have my website down below. Once you purchase the image, it's going to be a pink button that says graduation template that you can go ahead, click that button. It's going to open up a PDF. Oh, let me just show you what it's going to look like actually. Okay, so once you purchase the template, you're going to come to this page and you're also going to get an email where you can view your order and your receipt, etc., right? So you're going to scroll down and it's going to have a portion for your account. So hopefully you have an account with us, and it's going to say downloads. It's going to give you the product. It says how many downloads are remaining. It expires, and it's going to have the download here. Right here is that pink button I was talking about where it says graduation template. I'm going to click that in a second. It's going to have your product, the total, if you want to order again, etc. Then this button right here says graduation templates. Once you click that button, it's going to download, okay? And then once it downloads, that's when you'll get this letter here. You're going to get this PDF here where it says, hello, thanks so much for your purchase. This is a CanvaPro graduation template. You can customize and change it as you like inside of Canva software. Please reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. My email is dodreamon3@gmail.com. Thanks so much, Dreamer. I truly appreciate you. Here is the link. And then it's ChonitaNicole, Do Dream On. Okay, once you click that link, it's going to ask you to open a file, and then you're going to see this. A template created by ChonitaNicole will share with you. Start designing now. All right, it's going to give you a preview of the information. And then it's going to show you the size, and then it's going to say edit template. You're going to click on edit template. Once you click on edit template, you're going to either automatically be signed into your Canva account or have to sign into your Canva account, one of the two. That's going to be one of the steps. I was automatically signed in, and then you can get to designing. Okay? So I went to Communication Media Arts High School, and I went to Eastern Michigan, but I just changed the names. But anywho, this is how you get here. You go to your uploads. You go to wherever you want to go. You bring those pictures in. and then you drag and drop, change the colors, put the name of the school, play around with whatever you want to do. So at the bottom of the diploma, I put the graduate's name as well as the parents, but it could be the grandparents, the aunts, the uncle. You could put multiple graduates if it's friends on here. I mean, get really creative. And I want you guys to hashtag Do Dream on grad template so that I can find you guys on social media. Okay? I hope this answered your questions. Please, please, please email me if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Once again, shout out to Miss Victoria Johnson. I appreciate you, girl. Yeah, y'all, happy creating. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, Do Dream One is the handle. TikTok, Do Dream One is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there, you hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.